In front of me is HonorPad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Then you need to scroll all the way down and click on Google section. Following that, choose All Services over here. Scroll down to tap on Autofill with Google. And then use this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!